Welcome everybody, Namaste. Today we're going to do some breathing exercises to enhance our limitless possibilities, working with our breath to help our endurance, help us be at the top of our game. So let's begin as usual with the Om, closing the eyes, exhale completely, take a deep breath, imagine you're everywhere now. Oh. May all beings be happy and free, and may all beings enjoy this practice through our senses. So we're going to do a few breathing exercises today, which will help energize the body, but also will help us in our everyday life so we can maximize the things that we want to do, using the energy in a positive way and a focused way. So the first one we're going to do today is Bhastrika, in and out through the nose like a panting dog. So it's very easy. You're going to inhale, exhale, same vigor, any speed you like, but through your nostrils only. So you can imagine it's like this, like a panting dog. So let's begin with this one first, just to oxygenate the blood, make us feel nice. So sit up nice and tall, push your hands onto your knees and thighs, exhale completely. And let's begin. Inhale and go. Exhale. Take a comfortable inhale. Hold the breath, close your throat, chest meets your chin, pull the pelvic floor up towards your navel, constrict the perineums like holding the poop. Bring your attention to your solar plexus, somewhere in the spine. Bring all the attention. Imagine the best in your solar plexus. Keep holding. Gently release the breath, exhaling through the nostrils. Take another deep inhale. Lungs are almost full. Hold again. Close your throat again. Pull the pelvic floor up towards your navel. This time, bring the attention to the space between your forebrow. Imagine you're pulling all the energy in. This will make you feel really nice. Charge the body. Release the locks, exhaling through the nostrils. 3 times now. Inhale from your solar plexus, somewhere in the spine. Imagine a beautiful bright light. Inhale up to the space between your forebrow. And exhale back down to your solar plexus, the energy center of your body. 2 more times. Inhale. All this beautiful bright light, the energy you need to the space between your forearms. Exhaling back down to your solar plexus. 1 more time. Inhale. Exhale back. Just breathe normally for a few breaths. Maybe noticing some subtle changes. Let's do 1 more round together. So bring the hands into position, pushing your thighs, your knees, nice straight spine. Remember, same vigor on inhale and exhale, like a belly. So exhale completely, go ahead. Exhale. Again, body's inhaling. Hold the breath. Apply the locks again. Pull the pelvic floor up towards your navel. Close the throat. Chest meets your chin. Again, all the attention, solar plexus. Nothing else exists at this moment. All the attention then stops. Gently release the locks. Exhale through both nostrils. Again, comfortable inhale. And hold again. Close your throat. Pull the pelvic floor up. Pull the attention, this time space between your forearm. Pull the energy there. This is going to make us feel really nice. Gently release the locks. Exhale through both nostrils. 3 times. Inhale from your solar plexus. Pull this beautiful bright light, the energy all the way up to the space between your forearm. Seat of your brain. Exhale back down to your solar plexus. Just imagine the best. 2 more times. You're inhaling up. Everything is perfect in your subconscious. Exhale back to the solar plexus. Last one. Inhale up. And the breath goes back to the solar plexus. And then just continue to breathe normally. Just for a few moments. Try and remain still. Maybe notice some subtle changes in the mind and body. Resting your knees, your eyes. So controlling the breath is an incredible practice. Helps energize, helps focus the mind, quieten the mind, so we can be more effective and more efficient in achieving our goals. And also very important in terms of when we're in the game, trying to be focused, not distracted from external things. So for the next, let's really energize the body. Let's do a couple of rounds of Ujjayi. So this time, you're just going to inhale all the way up to the upper lobe. As you exhale through your nostrils, you're going to make the sound through your throat. So we're going to do 12 of these today. 12 is a magic number. This will make you feel nice. After we've completed the 12 breaths, you're going to inhale 2 times. Take as much oxygen as you need. The third time, we're going to inhale, and we're going to hold again. We're going to close the throat, the chest going to meet your chin. You're going to pull the pelvic floor up to your navel. And we're going to bring the attention here. And we're going to try and hold as long as we can. So when we hold, the power increases. So let's sit comfortably. Get nice and comfortable. Push your knees or your thighs. Exhale completely. Now inhale all the way up. Fill the lungs. Hold for a second. Now push out through your nostrils. Make the sound. Again, inhale. Six more. Three times now. Inhale from your solar plexus. Follow the breath all the way up to the space between. Exhale back down to your solar plexus. Again, inhale from the solar plexus all the way up to the space between your forearms. Exhale back down to your solar plexus. Last time, pull the energy up. Imagine the best, beautiful, bright light all the way to the space between your forearms. Exhale back to your solar plexus. And then just resume breathing normally. Just take a few moments. Notice any subtle changes in the mind. Resting at ease. So breath is very powerful because it can help move the energy around the body. And your energy center is here at the solar plexus. So you want to keep that charged. Sometimes we expend a lot of energy because we're breathing so fast. But you have these tricks that you can use by utilizing some of these techniques, these breathing techniques to help charge the body, get you energized back on the top of your game. So let's do one more breathing today. So come into a standing position. Bring your feet about 12 to 15 inches apart. You're going to bring your arms up towards the sky. And we're going to inhale through our feet, through all your toes. We're going to pull the energy. Imagine the best from the whole of Earth all the way up to the crown of your head. Count of 8. You're going to feel a tingling in the crown of your head. We hold for 6, and then you exhale back down. Okay, so we're going to do this 5 times. So bring the arms up. Close your eyes. Exhale completely. Now inhale. Pull the energy through your feet all the way up, 2, 3, up through the spine, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to your fingertips. Your fingertips are tingling, holding there for 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breath goes back down, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, pull the energy through your feet all the way up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fingertips are tingling, vibrating. Holding for 6, 4, 5, 6. And exhale back down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, inhale through your feet. Pull the energy up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fingertips are tingling, vibrating with the best. And exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more now. Inhale, pull the energy up through the feet. 2, 3, through the spine. 4, 5, 6, 7. Fingertips are tingling, vibrating with the best. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one now. Inhale, pull the energy up through the feet, all the way up through the spine, all the way up to the fingertips. And hold. The fingertips are tingling, vibrating. All the energy there. And exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax the arms down. Just take 2 breaths. Everything normalize. Now slowly find your way back to your seat. On the floor if you're in a seated position. Let's just sit quietly for a few moments. Bring all the attention to your solar plexus. Just imagine this beautiful, bright light there. Keep imagining this. Solar plexus. All the energy you need is charging. Keep your attention there, solar plexus. Somewhere near the spine. Pay attention there. Now, 3 times, imagine you're pulling the energy from the solar plexus, this beautiful bright light. It's charging, shining bright. Pull the energy up to the space between your feet. And just exhale the breath back to your solar plexus. 2 more times. Inhale from the solar plexus. Pull the energy up to the space between. Now the breath goes back by itself. Last time. Inhale. Pull the best. Pull the way up to the space between your feet. Breath goes back by itself. And breathe normally. Just sit quietly for a few moments. The attention now, space between your feet. Oh. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Be receptive, be compassionate to all beings. This concludes this practice.